Okay, my friends, so it's that time again. Time for this week's free trading setup and analysis. This is one of my best setups for the week ahead, starting the 16th of August 2021. In this video, we're going to go over a possible trade setup. Well, it is a trade setup on the Aussie Kiwi, and I'm going to go over in detail where I'm looking to enter, stop loss, take profit, and the reasons why I'm looking to take this position. Okay, so before we get started, if you're new to the channel and haven't yet subscribed yet, simply hit the subscribe button now. If you want to access one of my leading top indicators, simply subscribe to my email newsletter via the link in the YouTube video here. Okay, so let's get into the trade setup. It is on the Aussie Kiwi. Okay, and I'm going to start off on the weekly charts. Okay, if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that I look to find high probability buying and selling areas on the higher time frame charts, i.e. the weekly and the monthly, and then I'll zoom down into the lower time frames looking for two things: slowing of momentum and an entry signal. Okay, my entry signal is usually a MACD divergence signal on the lower time frames. Okay, so let's get into this trade setup here. Okay, straight away what I'm seeing on the weekly charts is this area here. Okay, you can see there's been a huge move up here from before. This is a weekly chart. So there's a lot of buying pressure here to enable this position to move up this far. Okay, this is not retail traders buying this. This is institutional money that's been able to push this asset up this far. Okay, and it started down here on the weekly chart. So it's instantly a weekly zone. Also, I'll notice inside this area, okay, you can see that it has more or less in and around this area. It's come up, it's rallied from before. Okay, this area here, it's had a bit of resistance here before, and if we'll zoom out a little bit, you'll see that also. Okay, so you can see if we zoom out, see there's been a lot of reaction around this kind of area before. Okay, a lot of buying interest, which is another factor that I'm looking to enter this position. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to look lower down into the lower time frames and look for possible daily area inside that weekly. Okay, and sorry if I'm going too quick. Okay, just pause the video and rewatch it. Okay, so you can see this area here instantly stands out. Okay, this is the leg start. This is the start of this initial move up here. So this is key for where I'm looking to enter this position. Okay, what I'm going to look for now is slowing of momentum at this area. Slowing of momentum means this price action slowing down. So what we're going to do, we're going to look at more time frames, okay, and look for a possible sideways movement or buying pressure coming into the market. Instantly what we see at this level, okay, this is, you can see, we'll just zoom out a little bit in the 4-hour charts. You can see the market's been dropping nicely down into this area, sloping down, and you can see as it enters this weekly area, okay, you can see price action, the structure of this move down changes, okay. But what I mean changes is it starts to move sideways, okay. You have this initial low, this low, all-time low of this move down here, okay. So this is the move down. This is the low of that trend, and you can see it's tried a few times to come down to this area and it's failed. Okay, so basically I'm looking to enter this trade on the open of the market on Monday. Okay, so 106,700 or just whatever price it is on Monday. Okay, what could happen? Okay, could drop a little bit further. We could get a fake out. Okay, drops just below this level here. There could be a lot of retail stops under this level. Okay. So what we could see is we could see a possible spike down, maybe on the open, down, take out the stops, and then the rest of the week it rallies up. Okay, so I'm just going to enter this. Basically, price action is telling me straight away that this is a good setup just to enter when the market opens on Monday. Okay, again, I'll just go over that and then I'll tell you the setup. Okay, if we've looked at the higher time frames, you've noticed at this area here, there's been a lot of buying interest before. Institutional smart money, big players have had interest of buying at this kind of area before. We simply don't just enter on that basis. We zoom in and we analyze the lower time frames for possible evidence that this is happening. Okay, so if we look at the daily chart now, okay, we can instantly see at this area down here, untested, price is making its way down to this area, the leg start of this initial move up on the weekly charts. Okay, a lot of interest in and around this level. Okay, then we'll zoom down into the 4-hour charts, look for possible evidence of price actions changing, the structure of the trends changing, price action slowing down, momentum is slowing down and approaching this level. That's what we see. Okay, you can see we've got nice drops down into this level, and the minute it comes into this level, okay, we're getting divergence signals as it comes into this level. You can see instantly the market starts to move sideways. It's completely different from all these drops before. Okay, this is a period of accumulation. What I'm looking at here is buyers are accumulating the selling pressure and getting ready for a move up. It may spike down a little bit further, or it may not. That's why I'm looking to stay enter this position as soon as the market opens on Monday. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to enter at 104,700 or whatever price it is. Stop loss again is going to be, we're going to put it under this level here. Okay, we're going to go 120 pips, 103,500. And our take profit, okay, we're going to go all the way up to around 109, 110 up this level here. Okay, so let's write that down for you. Okay, so AUD NZD, okay, buy at 104,700 or whatever price it is at 1 hour after the markets open. The reason being 1 hour, just in case we get spikes or there's large spreads. Okay, and stop loss. Okay, we're going to go 120 pips, 103. That gets us well under that zone. 103,500. Okay, gives us a bit of play also. And take profit. Okay, 109. Take profit. Say 110. 110. Okay. Sorry, not 109. Okay, and break even. So break even price is pretty simple. Okay, if break even price will be, we'll say 105,700. Okay, so when price hits 105,700, move stop loss to entry price, and close 50% of position. Okay, that allows us to lock in guarantee profits. Okay, we open this on Monday and we close on Friday. Okay, pretty simple setup. It's a great setup for the week ahead. Hope this video helps. If you have any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com. If you want to access this indicator, the MACD divergence indicator, simply join the email newsletter below. If you want to access our full list of 22 setups for the week ahead, simply click the link below and get started today. Okay, so thanks for watching. Have a fantastic week. Well over to fxace.com.